In this overview, we'll show you the highlights of the user assistance types and where to find them. You can get user assistance from documentation, videos, tutorials, translated information, new feature updates, social media notifications, forums, and support sites. For example, let's look at the Help Center for planning. The Get Started page on the Help Center provides useful user assistance tools. You can use the navigation pane on the left to access documentation, videos, tutorials, and translated materials. See What's New to view the latest features and view readiness documentation. Select one of the updates. You can also see the defects fixed information on the Oracle support site. See all EPM Cloud features to find features using the Cloud Features tool. You can join Cloud Customer Connect, where you can share ideas, discuss topics, learn, and attend events. Watch quarterly webcasts about EPM Cloud user assistance. You can sign up for training from Oracle University. Visit our YouTube channel, Oracle EPM in the Cloud, to learn about EPM Cloud features and watch customer stories, case studies, interviews, solution spotlights, and partner updates. Translated Books gives you access to documentation in other languages. Use search to find a specific topic. You can connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. From within a business process, you can choose the Help option from the Settings and Actions menu to open the Help Center for the business process. Choose Help on this topic to display the documentation specific to the screen you're on. Use Academy to learn about key topics such as best practices. As new features are added each month, we make updates and announcements on social media, including the What's New guide, the Help Center documentation, the Cloud Features tool, and videos on the Cloud Readiness page and our YouTube channel. Be sure to check out our best practices in our guides, including the appendix. Use Was This Page Helpful at the bottom of any Help Center page to provide feedback on content. If you'd like to join our customer program, receive email announcements about EPM Cloud user assistance, or write to us, email us at epmdoc_ww@oracle.com. In this overview, we showed you the highlights of the user assistant types and where to find them. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.